Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Sims 4 for free and play it on your MacBook. This tutorial will be quick and simple, just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now you want to go ahead on Google and write down Sims 4 and click on ea.com Sims 4 download for free option. Now once you are here, you want to go ahead and click play for free at the top and find an option EA app and origin. So you want to click on this one. Now you want to click download now and EA app and origin. Now this will open up and you will be redirected to this page where you need to click download the EA app and click on MacBook option. Now it will download and all you have to do now is double click on it and now this will pop up. So you want to agree, of course, and install the application here. Now on your MacBook, this will pop up. So you want to drag EA application to your applications, just like so. It should open up just in a second. If it doesn't load up, you want to open up your applications folder and find the EA app and double click on it. And now you will need to go ahead and click open. Now you need to go ahead and enter your password to allow this. So make sure you do this. Now you may allow find devices on local networks. I'm not going to do that. And now your EA account, you need to go ahead and sign in. If you still don't have an account, you want to create one. Now, once you are logged in, you want to scroll down until you will see The Sims 4 for free. And that's pretty much it. Now you need to click download. And it will download and you can go ahead and play your Sims. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.